Interesting. Alright, I made some good progress on my game. I finally fixed the weird hitbox thing. It's now very accurate. Pretty epic. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Alright, we're probably gonna have to figure out some way to like make sure you can like, actually check your swinging. So that this doesn't happen. Or this. Oh wait, no, this. Okay. See, guys, this is how you do poodles. You just swing slow, and then you hit all the blocks. You don't swing like really fast. Alright, let's work on the store. I'm gonna change the inventory. I don't think we need an inventory. We just need like upgrades. And then we'll have like a div. Where is it? I think the first upgrade should be pausing. You can pause. Or not, wait, no, not upgrade. Item. We'll have like an image somewhere of like the Beat Saber pause button, and then we'll have like a we'll do H2. And then we'll have like a description. We might have to change some of that. I want to have like a price. Where's my CSS? Okay. Dot item image. Dot item. Dot price. I'll do 800%. Do 85%. But 90. Do 90. I actually think this should be H2. H2, H1. Oops. I want this centered. We do data box. We do. What is it? Dot store. The ID is store. And then provide content, I think. That's not it. It's a line items. What? Maybe this is not store. This is store. What? Why is it not in the center? Data box. Oh, it's because this is not. Alright, now why is this there? Okay, if I delete the justify content, yeah, that's good then. Okay. Yeah, I think all the data boxes should be secondary background color. And I think the title should just be background color. Yeah. I think that'll look better. Do we need padding? Is it padding or margin? I always get those two confused. I think it's padding. It did not help at all. Okay, padding at top. Oh wait, no, we have to do it on the title. I think it's Yep, it's padding. Alright, 0 to 10 pixel. It is not padding. What is this? Is it the other way? Okay, 10 pixels might be too much. We'll do 5. That's 15. What? Oh. Look at that. It's awesome. We may have to deal with like scaling later, but that's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Hold on, what does my website look like? I may have to scale the text. That might be a thing we need to do. But for now, it looks fine. And then let's have like a shadow. Box shadow. And 0px, 0px. Actually, we'll do 0px. 2px. Can you even see that? Okay, we're gonna have to remove this. What? I don't know, what does my CSS look like? Yeah, it's 002. Okay. Why is it not showing up? Did I set the Z index to 3? Alright, you know what? We'll just leave it. I think it looks fine. I mean, it's all dark anyway, so. Okay. Do background color. Let's give this like a margin. What? Oops. Be like 15 pixels. And then let's see. item H2 have the padding 0. Is there padding bottom? And then that did not do anything. I think it's margin bottom. Heck, that did not do anything either. Okay, I think it's because it's H1. We gotta fix that. Forgot to change that. There we go. It still looks like the padding is not there. Or the margin. I don't know what it is. If that give it a border radius. I think that did. Okay. Let's see. I thought the height was 200. Not the height. The height was 100.
Eric Gamas said, Beat Saber but in 2D. Eric Gamas said, Oh God, the new TTS voice. Eric Gamas said, Beans.
Bean.
Eric Gamas said, What? Why did it say it like that? Lance.
Brains. You've made so much good progress. This is way better than the first version, which is very broken. Like, it doesn't even work properly. So I did not know how to calculate this. But now I do. And it looks so much better. Like, look at that. Should probably put like a background or something. But I think the background should be 2D. It shouldn't be like just a screenshot from Beat Saber. It's gotta have its own like unique style.
Eric Gamas
This game
said, Beans.
Is this Vibro? Style points. And you can just cheese everything by just leaving it like that. What is our score? It's at 28 million. We've officially passed the score of Build 9 1 hour. That's crazy.
Eric Gamas said, button, pause, the description, that might be cheating.
Do I have scroll on? Did I put that? Data box. Yep, I did. Then height would be like 20%. Why is the placeholder text like eating everything? Alright, we'll do 25%. And we could add another item. What else could we add? We could add like. See, if I had arrows, we could do like a dot note thing. Alright, what if we do super fast song?
Eric Gamas said, "Are you actually trying to recreate Beat Saber in 2D?"
No, this is like it's kind of like a cookie clicker type game. Except you're not clicking, you're slicing.
Eric Ganas said, "Also, what's the BPM of that map?"
This is 1 BPM. It is 10 NGS. This is that one Minecraft map. If it can load. Oops, this is the wrong page. Legend Steve. Man, you guys are fast. What is this? How do you have? How's there 2 Minecraft movie stuff already? Hang on, we gotta see this. How do I preview? Does this even work? I don't think this is gonna work. I think I have to open it in another page. Put that there. I understand. Wait, it's noodle.
Flint and steel, chick and jockey, I am Steve. I am placing blocks and shit because this is fucking Minecraft. And a pearl.
Eric
Interesting.
Gamas said, "This idea could be difficult to code, but why not make the saber disappear when the mouse is off the page or it doesn't move for a certain?"
I might just like have it so like you get bad cuts if you don't swing properly.
Tilly said, "Beans."
Alright, this is the map I was talking about. Isn't this copyrighted?
Eric Gamas said, "Vans."
It's basically this map what I've just made.
Eric Gamas said, "Vans."
I should add like hit sounds. That's what I should do.
Eric Ganas said, "New TKS Funi with beans."
Beans. Now I should add like a slice effect. That would be cool. That would also be probably very laggy. Wow. Okay, we were gonna add something here. Alright, so this is gonna be like the pause button. It's probably gonna be like 10% of like the score. Like 10% of the score you would get with this many notes spawning. And I know, I think I'm gonna have it saved, so if you close the thing, it's basically pausing, so I'm gonna have to add like a boost right after it. Or something.
Shorties. Said HMMMM.
HMMM. Alright, what should we add for the description? Faster song. Not allowed on Score Saver. I don't know. Okay, we need to add padding in this. The margin. Do 10 pixel margin, and then we could delete like the width. I don't think we need that. Oh wait, we do need that. Let's put that at 100%. I think this has to be like 95. Okay, this one scrolls, so that's good. So why is there just 1,000? Oh. Well, it's because this is blocking it, right? And then this is... Okay. We're gonna have to get rid of this placeholder text. And we could have like... What else could we have? Faster song. You could have like super fast. Is it called super fast song? I don't actually look at the names. Might be overrated. And then we could have like, what else could we have? We'll do some upgrades. Whoops. Keep doing that. Okay. We could have like what's a good upgrade? You could have like notes a second, but I call this like block frequency in my code, so I don't know. And it starts off at like 5 seconds. Let's not add that just yet. What else do we have? We can't do... I put saber speed in here. We can't do that because, like, yeah. Probably do like swing bug or something. I think I need to change how the score works.
Just a random dude said, yo.
Yep. Playing Beat Saber.
Just a random dude said, what doing?
We were playing Beat Saber. My combo. It's almost at 10K. That means I'm a very pro gamer.
Just a random dude said, did you make this?
Perchance. Okay, let's add some sounds. It's kind of lacking in the sound department. Oh wait, I don't have my sounds though. I have on my Beat Saber sounds in the VM. I forgot to take it out. Alright, let's put this back. Where is it? Spaghetti code, my favorite. Alright, we'll close this, close this. I want to check if... And I think I can calculate the swing angle now.
Just a random dude said, did you make everything from scratch?
Yeah.
Eric Gamas said, beans.
Beans. There are like no libraries here, except for what counts as a library? Because technically I'm using like HTML. I don't know what a library is. But like I'm not using like any like 3JS or anything that makes it easier. It's all just 2D canvas and sheer will, sheer brute force. Okay, I want to delete this and then I want to add, I'm going to set this back. Where's the block spawn? It should be 5 seconds. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna make it spawn like the actual Beat Saber like, spawn. Also, I don't know if I should move this backwards, but I think it's fine. I think this is fine where it is, because then you can like hit it backwards and stuff. Yeah, I should have like PP in here. And then we could have like a ranking system. And not like an actual ranking system, but like actually I don't know how I'm gonna use that. Because we would have like 2 currencies. We would have like score and then the yeah.
Just a random dude said, "Did you teach yourself how to code?"
Maybe. Alright. Helicopter, helicopter. Where is... I need it. What if you have like a last end position? Equals... We just set it to like... It's like x is 0. We'll just do placeholder. And then we'll do like... Okay, we have to calculate the angle from this spot to like this spot. I don't know how to do that. Okay, we'll just make it so like we check if it's changing at least. Okay, this update is the draw. I don't know if it's gonna work. This the last end position equals this dot get end position. not equal to this guy. Get end position. Then hang on, we check if what if we go up here? Where is it? Check if the block is touching saber, block hit, block miss. Oh wait. Where's the is touching? Where is it? This one. Okay. Blah blah blah. If this happens, blah blah blah. We'll put the and here. Object dot last end position is not equal to saber end position. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, we leave it like this. Alright, it's still slicing. Why is it still slicing? Hang on, where's the wait, check. Okay. Console.log last end position and then saber end position. Wait, it produces the same number. That means we gotta do this later then. Things. This is gonna be a bit difficult. Okay, let's not do this just yet. I can't think of a solution.
Ribbon Pog Taylor said, "Hey."
Yep. There's this touching. I need to get rid of this. This should not be here. You are banished. Just happened. Okay, I'm gonna let's do like a block spawn. moves the block. Okay. Isn't there like velocity? Yeah, I have velocity. Yeah, we'll just make acceleration 0. Okay, so this should be block spawn animation. Block spawn NGS thingy midget.
Just a random dude. Said, "Oh man, now I only have 7,980 points." Ribbon Pog Taylor. Said, "How's your day so far?" Smiling face with smiling eyes.
It's going alright. Okay. So let's see. So we'll do 10 first. See how that goes. Velocity equals x is 10 by 0. And then if this position dot x is less than, let's say, 500, then this velocity dot x is now, it's divided, no, it's 2. Alright, the problem is, where is 500? Oh no, I have to not cut the block. Okay, it's way it's way too far into the platform. Do 1,000. So that's the spawn like right here, I think. I don't know. Let's do 1,200. Wowie, and then we could have like a note spawn effect or something. The thing that like everyone turns off because it's kind of distracting. But it won't be distracting here. What if we make this 5? That did not change.
Just a random dude.
Also, this is...
Said, "Why is the saber black?"
Are you racist? What type of question is that?
Eric Gamas. Said, "Bvin." Ribbon Pog Taylor. Said, such peaceful musical score.
Music.
Just a random dude. Said, it's supposed to be bright and glowy.
Yeah, I know this game is not done yet.
Eric Gomez. Said, I was gonna hate on this new TTS, but now I love it because Bean.
Bean. This is perfect. Wow.
Eric Gomez. Said, Vons. Ribbon Pog Taylor.
Bonds.
Said, yes. Just a random dude. Said, why high snow work?
Greater than 1, 2, 300. Else, it's the velocity that x equals 10. Wait, we have to check if it's oh, that's a terrible position.
Vlogs with Taylor. Said, person turquoise waving.
What? Dude, I wanna miss the block. It's like impossible. Oh my gosh. Let me miss the block. There we go. Alright, it's not moving. It's not moving faster. This has to be end. Oh. How did I even hit that? What? Alright, this looks good. I think this looks good. This is awesome. I can't believe I made this. The UI is atrocious though.
Ribbon Pog Taylor. Said, eat. Just a random dude. Said, I think you should allow the base of the saber to move with arrow keys or WASD.
Oh, wait, that could work. We kind of have to deviate from the normal Beat Saber though. Because like there's 3 rows and yeah. 4 rows, 3 columns. Right now it has the 3 columns. But if you just expand it, like yeah.
Eric Gomez. Said, beans.
Beans.
Ribbon Pog Taylor. Said, slay ye. Eric Gomez. Said, let's go gambling beans.
Let's go gambling. Ah, dang it. Ah, dang it.
Eric Gomez said, "Let's go, I doubled my beans."
Beans.
Ribbon Pog Taylor said, "GG."
I kind of want to have like that visualizer thing in the background. So we'll have like a platform here of like a little. Yeah, we'll have like a platform here. We'll have like something here. I don't know. Dude, this is kind of sick. Okay. I want this to be overlaid, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, we gotta maybe lower the padding a bit. Okay, box title, like three padding instead. Two padding. Did I even change anything? I feel like that changed nothing. Okay, one padding. That did not change much, but we'll leave it like that.
Just a random dude said, "Somebody join my heist." Copper Maid said, "Hello, P."
Yep. Alright, I think I should like publish this to the website. This shall be like version 0.0.2 or something.
Just a random
how do I do my
dude
SSH?
said, "Copper Maid join my heist." Copper Maid said, "W dem." Just a random dude said, "Noise."
CP -I and then I want to copy documents. I think it's website 2. Where is this? Alright, why do I have 10 direct messages? Yo guys, real Steam gift card right here. Very real. I think I should click it.
Eric Gomez said, money?
Free Monday Steam gift card sent on Discord. It's very legit.
Eric Gomez said, I heard money and I came back from my schoolwork. Just
Money,
a
money,
random
money, money.
dude said, there's no way I have 52.5 hours.
Okay, this should be R. I wonder how many hours I've been streaming total.
Eric Gomez said, beans.
Protected key file. Oops. What's the permissions? I have to set
Coppermaid
permissions.
said,
Oh, 2
Vortex,
blocks.
wish me luck on getting top 1 Romania: 3.
Alright,
Just a
good luck.
random dude said, noise.
chmod 400. Documents, switch key, or downloads SMB. Alright, sweet. Now I can log into this. Sudo rm -r slash. Very good command. You should run it.
Eric Gomez said, processing beans.
Sudo cp what is it, -r hold on, say 22.
Ribbon Pog
I have
Taylor
to do something.
said, money, 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 smiling face with sunglasses.
Money, 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 money. Okay, I think we got it. Computer system CTR start engine X service,
Eric Gomez said, Mr. Krabs moment.
and it should be up. I didn't make any mistakes. I made a mistake somewhere. Where did I go wrong? What happened? Why is this?
Eric Gomez
No wait, it's here. It's
said,
just
damn.
completely broken. No wait, no.
Eric Gomez said, no Rob command.
Wait, what is happening? Why is it broken?
Just a random dude said, I got a beat chat plex spot points wise. Ribbon Pog Taylor said,
Oh wait, no,
rip.
yeah, this is completely wrong. What is this? This is website v2. Okay, what if I do that, and then I do this.
Just a random dude said, make it a bad cut instead of a miss. Ribbon Pog Taylor said, happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. Dude, I should stop doing pseudo RMR. It's very, very, very sketchy.
Just a random dude said, join my heist. Just a random dude said, I am greedy. Just a random dude said, money.
Okay, please tell me this worked. This did not work. Why is it not working?
Ribbon Pod Taylor said, definitely money.
Oh. Why is this not working? Am I stupid?
Just a random dude said, Pog Taylor, join my heist. Eric Gomez said, water bucket. Ribbon Pog Taylor said, cool background screen on your computer.
Thanks. Dude, everything is here. It's just not loading for some reason. Okay, we just stopped that. And now when I open the website, it will be broken. What?
Just a random dude
Is it like cash
said,
or something?
money. Eric Gomez said, almighty wizard, should I gamble all my beans again?
Yeah, that,
Vlogs with
that's
Taylor
completely off.
said, W.
Yeah, I think it's like cached on my browser.
Just a random dude said, do it, Eric. Eric Gomez said,
'Cause there's
your
no signal.
website is down for me.
Yeah, I know. That's because I turned it off.
Ribbon Pog Taylor said, I dare you to do it.
Okay, please. There we go. All right, we got our stuff
Eric
in here.
Gomez said, let's go, I doubled my beans.
Let's go.
Just a random
Slice and
dude
dice.
said, noise.
Ah, yes, my favorite website, Document. Alright, does this save though? That's the question. Oh wait, no. It's not gonna save here. Alright, forgot. Alright, what just
Ribbon
happened?
Pog Taylor
This is not the right
said,
one.
awesome. Just a random dude said, you should add a stamina bar that affects the acceleration of the blade. Just a
Is
random
this cached?
dude
Do I need to
said,
restart?
eventually.
I think I need to restart. Dude, this like cache is annoying. I just want this to work. Why is it cached? Dude, this is so annoying. Clear Firefox cache. Alright, I want to clear
Bumpy
the
is
cache.
Queen Crown Phantom fan. Said, what is?
Dude, how do I clear the cache?
Just a random dude. Said, oh dang it.
Yeah, privacy and security.
Eric
Cookies
Gama
and site data.
said, can we eliminate cache since the website is normal if cleared?
Cookies and site data. Where is that? This clear data. I have 1 gigabyte of data. Temporary cache files and pages. Yeah, just delete that. Alright, there we go. We're here. Finally. Whoop. Alright, the question is, does this save? I put a little save thing. Oh wait, it's not gonna save because it doesn't load the stuff. Yeah. It won't save.
Vlogs with Taylor. Said, drumroll PLZZZ.
Drum roll, please. Right. Okay, I think. Wait, hold on. So we have onload. Where is everything? Unload. Okay, we'll just put like a save function. Alright, remove the indents because oh wait, no, don't remove that. We'll do load. And we'll do I think it's this instead of game. Storage get item. How do you use this? Key name. Okay. So just remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Oh, I removed the music. Where's the music? I need my multiplayer music. This is so sad. Yeah. Sure. Okay, so this dot score. This dot combo equals this dot multiplier equals this dot multiplier points. Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, now if I close that, and then if I open it back up, Did not save. That's because I forgot to load the functions. Forgot to call it. It should be saved. This should be game.load. Alright, buddy, why is my score 0? Why is my score 0?
Eric Gamas said beanies.
Why is my
Copper
score
Maid
0?
said, what you making? Ribbon Pog
Beat
Taylor
Saber 2.
said money.
Why is the score broken? Why is multiplier broken?
Just a random dude said, I'll risk it all. Just a random dude said, pray for me. Eric Gamas said, I made the NJS Online fast law.
If if this multiplier is equal to 0, because we got
Eric
I
Gamas
think that's why everything's broken.
said, oof. Just a random dude said, Nua. Just a random dude said, my points.
Multiplier equals 1.
Just a random dude said, money. Money for the poor. Copper Maid said, what's stopping someone from just doing 360s with their mouse for max points?
What just happened? Nothing's stopping them yet. Also, wait, what just happened? Update counters is not. Oh. What's stopping them is their body. That's what's stopping them. What is happening? Why is it like? Hang on, how do I check if this is,
Eric Gamas said, I made my NJS weird law. Eric Gamas said, it comes fast and then shoots like a bullet.
Or this should be 0. Okay, we don't need the. We shouldn't need the thing then. Should be 1. Multiplier points. Should be 0. This would be deleted. Goodbye. And it should be good. Yay! We did it. Does it save now? That's the question. Okay. We open this back up. It does not save. It's probably my cookies or something. I wouldn't be surprised.
Just a random dude said, can somebody give me some points?
Lice and dice. Guys, if there's a Beat Saber movie, we gotta have like Jack Black in it. And just announcing
Just
everything.
a random dude said, I'm Bo.
This is a wall.
At back
You walk into it, you die.
said, chicken butt.
Chicken jockey.
Ribbon Pog Taylor said, XD. At back said, Flint and Steel.
The nether. Water bucket release.
At back said, Chicken Jockey Ribbon. Ribbon Pog Taylor said, Yes. Just a random dude said, Beat Saber featuring The Rock. At back said, What are pawns? At back said, Points.
You use them to gamble. Guys, we're at 32 combo. I can't believe it.
At back said, So you can just gamble in chat.
Yeah.
Eric Gomez said, Did you know that the jailbreakers found out how to put animated wallpapers on the iPhone? Ribbon Pog Taylor said, Nup. At Becht said, For no reason law.
When did they do that?
Yardo said,
Also, I'm pretty sure isn't that a paid tweak?
Eric Gomez
If they did that a long
said,
time ago.
For example, they made
tweak.
a animated Boykisser wallpaper.
Alright, buddy. But if they did that a long time ago, then it has to be a paid tweak because I've never got it.
At Becht said. Ribbon Pog Taylor said, Really?
Dude, I want iOS 18 jailbreak. Why did I have to I had to like update because like no websites were loading. It was so sad. Like I couldn't use Beat Leader. What's the point of having a phone if you can't launch Beat Leader on it? Or any website.
Eric
I think GitHub
Gomez
was also broken.
said, It's true, and it was one of the first made wallpaper. At Becht said. Error. This user is banned. Eric Gomez said, What iOS are you on? I'm currently staying on iOS 18.1 Beta 4.
I'm on 18.0. I think, let me check. About, yeah, 18.0.
At Becht said, Bro, you keep banning and unbanning am. Error. This user is banned. Eric Gamas said, nice.
I used to be on 14.4.2 and that was jailbreakable. Or like,
Ribbon Pog
I was on
Taylor
that for like 2 years.
said, I'm
and
so
then-
confused right now.
And then I updated. And then I became sad. Dude, for iOS 14 jailbreak is actually like the sweet spot because like I think the iOS 15, 16 jailbreaks like they're like there's like two versions. They have to be like rootless and rootful.
Said 17.4 is currently jailbreakable sadly. Add back. Said stop banning me. Error. This user is banned. Just a random dude. Said, Eric, can I have some points?
Okay, let's just make this color like blue.
Add back. Said, no why.
Where is this?
Just a random dude. Set, yay.
Sleeper. Alright, I want to...
Just a random dude. Said, JTG. Eric Gamas. Said, fuck. Add back. Said, I have no
Hey,
points
no
anymore
swearing.
from gambling.
This is Christian Minecraft server.
Eric Gamas. Said, I lost all of my beans.
Ah, rip. That's why you don't gamble all. I mean, that's why you do gamble all. Because that way you know you have nothing to do. That's how this works, right? Alright, this is kind of like way too blue. I can't even gamble all. It won't let me. It only gambles like 10,000. Wow, I won 20,000 points. That's crazy.
Eric Gamas. Said, what? Eric Gamas. Said, PLS jib beans.
It won't let me. It won't let me give to anyone. It's really weird. It keeps giving me an error. Alright, can I make this colored like... Let's do like, I don't know.
Add back.
0,
Said,
0,
gamble
F,
actually,
F.
I'm broke.
We'll do 0, 0, AAF. There we go.
Eric Gamas.
Look at that.
Said, stop the lies, Mr. Tony Stark.
Dude, imagine we add motion blur. That'd be crazy.
Add back. Said, who?
Add motion blur on the saber. Hang on, how did I handle this touching? Updates.
Add back. Said, gamble my 0 banes.
Block logic. If it's a block, it's touching. Okay. So I don't need to deal with that. We could make this game more complex by adding like a red block. And then you have 2 sabers.
Eric Gomez said you can also try adding arrows with it being set by a random num gem. Eric Gomez.
The problem with
said
adding arrows is that like you can only have like 2 arrows being up and down. Oh, you're gonna have like resets. You're gonna add resets to the game. Double directionals.
Eric Gomez said yes. Eric Gomez said reset's good. Eric Gomez said beans.
Beans. Okay, I keep messing with my game, and I'm not doing anything meaningful other than slicing blocks. So we need to like actually start doing stuff. We need ultimate game plan. Alright, we gotta make a platform. It's like kind of like a trapezoid-ish. I don't know if that should be a PNG or what. I think I have GIMP already. Didn't they update it to like V3? They did not. Do I have to update it to V3? 3.0? Let's make this. We'll just make it 1920 by 1080, and then we'll crop it. Delete that. I don't think it's supposed to look like this. Something tells me. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Alright, I want to make a trapezoid. Oh wait, isn't there perspective? Yeah, there is perspective. Okay, we can have like a square. Just make like that. That's flop. I don't want that. Just have like a square. We could fill it with black.
Add back. Said 238. Add back. Said what?
Okay, let's make this more like grayish. This is not gray. Hello? Is that gray? I don't know. Okay, and then we do perspective. That is not perspective. Select none. We do 3D transform.
Add back. Said let's go gambling.
Alright. We set this to 0. Set this to 0. Set this like 50. Is that good? Set it like that. And we'll do filters, we'll do like a drop shadow. Make kind of like a glow effect. Why is this opaque?
Add back. Said gamming.
Okay, we'll make the grow
At back.
radius like
Said caving.
10. And then we'll do
At back. Said cabin.
a Gavin. And we'll do bloom.
At back. Said Gavin. At back. Said GBN.
Threshold, let's make the strength like that.
At
That's
back. Said GB.
That looks good. Alright, we'll save this. In document.
At back.
And we'll
Said
export
G.
as PNG platform. Actually, we have to crop this, don't we? We have to crop this. Okay. And then we export. And then discard changes. Let's go back here. Oh wait, I need to put this in the documents. Here's my website v2. Alright, and then we can make a, let's see. We can make a background object. Background object. Constructor. We'll copy this. This sprite equals null. Get corner position. We're gonna need the draw and the update. Oops. This should be in here. Wait, how big is this? Hold on. We need to put the image in here. I don't know if this will. Documents, put the platform. Yeah, we'll just open it, I guess. Sure. Alright, where did it go? What's the size of this? An 89 by 448.
Said What does work do?
I don't know. I don't think it does anything. 1089 by 448.
Surge and raise. Said, what you doing?
Beat Saber. 448. It's not Sprite with Sprite.
Surge and raise. Said, are you making a map?
No. Blah blah. This is Sprite. Right. Okay.
I bet. Said, he's making it in 2D, I think. Surge and raise. Said, then what you coding?
Beat Saber 2. Let's see. Images.platform. Images.platform. SRC goes image. PNG. Alright, so where is it? Where are you?
Surge and raise. Said, I might have heard it wrong, but did you say Beat Saber 2?
Yes,
I bet.
I said Beat
Said,
Saber 2.
yes.
What is happening?
I bet. Said, he did.
What is this? Close that. Obviously, not happy. Okay. Go to game. We do background objects first. New background object. I don't know what
Trojan
position
Dart
it
arrow
is, so
keys.
do 0, 0 for
Said,
now.
coding is so fire.
20. This should be, what is it? I have to save 1089 by 448. And then the image is images.platform. Oh, oops. I have to open it again. Okay, it's up there. Why is it up there? Hold on. Wait, why is it being overwritten? It draws once and then it never draws again. Let's not draw 6x. Oh, if this is right. No, just the wrong one. This is right. Blah, blah. Oops. Like it's there. It's just
Surge and raise. Said, oh 2D Beat Saber, is it your own idea?
what is happening? What? It's like clear. This is like black spawn update. Blah, blah, blah. It's drawing everything. Why is it not showing? Okay, we just remove this. How about that? Nope. Why is it not showing? Blah blah. You got draw. CT extra draw image. What? Why is this not drawing? Did I forget to? No, I did put update. I saw objects I update. Unless it's like not drawing. It like only draws once. Why is it only drawing once? Does it just delete itself afterwards? Is that what's happening? Oh, it's because I don't have
Surge
deleted.
and
That's probably
raise.
why.
Said, I hear beats saber noises in the background unless that's your game.
This dot deleted equals false. There we go. And then we have to figure out where in the world we're gonna put this. Wowie! Look at that.
Surge and raise. Said, is this your own idea, or are you and a friend doing it?
This is like a project. It was a partner project, but I'm doing all the coding. It's really weird how we're doing it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Block, miss, block, hit, blah, blah. Alright, we gotta move this down. Put it at 0.
Surge and raise. Said, oh, for school, or just wanted to try doing.
This, it might be for school. $600, $700, $900. Alright, let's see it.
Surge and raise. Said, oh, nice, thumbs up.
Wait, because the background's black, you can't really tell. Oh wait, no, you can't. You can tell. Where it cuts off. Ooh, this looks sick. This looks so cool. And like everything works. Everything looks good. Except for this part. We need to fix that.
Surge and Rays said, make sure to tell me when it gets released or put in a testing cause. I'll definitely give it a try.
I mean, there's already the website for it. So like, you can't. It's not linked anywhere yet. But just put test game, my website, projects test game, and then you get it. Oh, I forgot. Wait, why is it? This cache is so annoying. Okay, so like, I think I have to open it here. So like, projects testing. There we go. There's slightly older version, but I think the core mechanics are still there. I don't know what else to add. So I might need to fix the weird black border. The cutoff point doesn't look very good. Very interesting.
Surge and Rays said, I want to learn how to code. It would be fun, but I joined a different school, so I didn't get that option.
I'm be honest, like, the classes where you learn how to code, like, don't really help that much. They're more of like a guide, I feel like. But like, it's your best option is just to learn by yourself. Now, like, don't get into the habit of just like watching YouTube tutorials and just keep watching YouTube tutorials. You gotta like make stuff. Coding is like, it might seem like just like basic, like, how do I explain it? It might seem like a basic task or like job or something, but it's actually more like you gotta be creative. There's like no like straightforward answer.
Surge and Rays said, oh interesting, I might just try and learn on my own cause. I want to make a VR game in the future.
Yeah, I also want to make a VR game, but I'm doing this for now because this is kind of required. I don't know what else to add in the background. I feel like there should be more stuff. Like, I want to add that like visualizer thing that like nobody pays attention to, because it's like far away to the left or right.
Surge and Rays said, do you got a VR game in mind, or still coming up with ideas?
I don't have anything. Dude, I smell like barbecue outside, and it smells really good. It's not my house though. It's like someone else's house. It smells really good. Slice and dice. I have a feeling I know what problems I'm gonna encounter if I ever become like a game developer or something. The one main problem I'm gonna have is that I'm just gonna keep playtesting my game, and I will get like zero progress done. Like I'm kind of already doing that right now. I'm just playing 2D Beat Saber instead of coding 2D Beat Saber. Hiya! Okay, let's actually do stuff. Put you on hold for now. I need to
Surge
work
and
on like
raise.
this stuff.
Said, haha real, I would probably do the same, not gonna lie.
Yeah. Alright. What do we need to add? I want to add. Let's make a list up here of what we're gonna add. Things to add, so we can have like. So we need to add the store. We'll do the inventory. Probably add some more stats. Attribute, I can change layout. Add visualizer, background. I kind of want like when you slice the block, like the visualizer kind of like goes like whoop. Like it makes a like a bell curve or something. Just goes back down. Like a wave. Stop. I keep playing the game. Okay. What else can we add? Score thing based on timing.
Surge and raise. Said, arrow blocks.
I'm kind of hesitant to add arrow blocks because I gotta like check. I mean, not check. I gotta like you can only have 2 arrows. You can only have up and down. And also because like you can how this is gonna work is that you can upgrade to add like more blocks that spawn, so you get more score. Like it might get like a bit complicated if there's just random arrows everywhere. I could have like stuff spawn from the sky you can click and then it just spawns a vibro part. And then you just slice all the blocks. That'd be cool. So like I want the player to hit like the block like in the middle of the saber. Instead of like the tip or the base to get the most points. It'll saber. And then we could have, I was gonna do this on saber, not to move. Very English. We could do, what else could we do? We could add like a trail. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. A low priority.
Surge and Raise said, but if you add arrow blocks, people can't just AFK the game, you know, but if you don't want to, or that's the main aspect of your game, that's
Like, cause like if you can't AFK the game if you're not swinging. Cause you know if you know the no arrow blocks. Like what's supposed to happen if you're not moving the saber is that you just get a bad cut. That's how the actual game works. So I'm gonna try and have it like that, at least.
Surge and Raise said, oh okay, smart, thumbs up.
And in that way we can have that pause button. Even though you can just exit out of the tab and then all of a sudden the game pauses and then you wait like 5 seconds and then like 3 million blocks spawn. We probably have to fix that.
Jeff Hagelberg said, naked chimpanzee.
What? What was that? Oh. What the heck? What is that? Why is it playing this one? I did not tell it to play that one. I didn't want it to play that one because like that one has the Discord unmute.
Jeff Hagelberg said, I'm from Pack Odds this video against the e-girl.
Alright. Slice and dice. Okay.
Surge and Raise said, bro. Jeff Hagelberg said, lost the V card today, feeling pretty freaky RN.
What? Dude, I keep playing the game. I need to do this.
Surge and Raise said, "Nah bro, it's my friend." Jeff Hagelberg said, "No, who the hell are you?" Serge N. Reyes said, "Whenever I am in a stream, he comes in and gets freaky."
Where is...
Jeff Hagelberg said, "No, I don't." Jeff Hagelberg said, "I lost the V card to my mother."
Yeah, we were gonna come up with more ideas. How about pause? We could probably do like async. Actually, no, let's not do that because I still have to figure out the velocity. Let's see. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna close this. Let's not deal with it. Actually, let's upload the progress so far to the site. Yeah, let's see if this works. I'm gonna have to close that. Oops, I forgot to do this. Why is it still cached, dude? Come on. You got this. Alright, buddy. Is this cached? This is cached. Preferences, we're gonna go privacy, security, clear data, temporary cached files. Oh wait, from everything.
Just a random dude said, "I have returned."
Alright. Projects. Test game. Alright, buddy, what the heck? Dude, I added the images and stuff, and it's not. What? Could not register service worker. Alright, buddy. This is what it should look like. This is what it looks like right now. What is happening? I cleared all the cache. And it's not working.
Surge and raise. Said, Goofy off background.
Clear data. Everything. Delete that. Clear. Alright, we'll just exit out of that. Please. Please work. What is this? This is not the website. Why does nothing want to work? What is this? Just update, please. Why is it back to this? Okay. Alright, why is it like this? Why are you like this?
Jeff Hagelber. Said, squirting. Just a random dude. Said, what?
Why is it broken? Okay, you know, we'll
Jeff
just do that.
Hagelber. Said, I'm so close, keep streaming. Just a random dude. Said, what was that, Jeff? Surge and raise. Said, I think you need to time him out. Just a random dude. Said, yeah. Surge and raise. Said, oh crap. Then said, how long did you time me out for? Just a random dude. Said, what? That said, how long did you time me out for? Just a random dude. Said, who are you? That said, Jeff Hagelberg. Just a random dude. Said, 1 min. That said, oh Oki's smiling face with smiling eyes.
Alright, we're just gonna
That
wait for the thing to
said,
update.
alarm clock. Just a random dude. Said, bro has an alt. That said, 9 alts. That said, 9 alts. Just a random dude. Just a random dude. Said, why though? Said,
Oops.
why though?
Oopsies, I was wondering why
That
it's repeating.
said, trolling.
Alright, I'm gonna end stream here. I gotta do stuff that is not related to
Just a
this.
random dude. Said, why the heck can't
Alright,
TTS
bye-bye.
say Zen? Just